Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw a UI switch on your application, both by using interface builder and code. So let's start with a new project, and it's a view based application. I will call it switch, and let's save it on the desktop. And let's go to the application, same window. On top of that we have a view controller. So let's go to the interface builder first. Let's get the interface builder part working. So I need a switch, so I look for a switch is the on and off button. So I have the switch. Now what I need to do is I need to let's say I'll put a label around it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use this label as a background of it, and pick the label, go to its property, remove it. I will say background color of a label is say green. Okay, so once I do that, okay, so there's nothing. Where is our, put it on top of it, so I'll just move the label above. So these two things there, let me move it here. So that's what we have right now. So I'll tell you why I used the label in the background. Let me go back to the code now and tell the code that there is a IB outlet UI switch star switch. Switch is a is a is a predefined word, so I can't use it. So I'll say switch button and IB outlet label star PL. Okay, and then I need to write a function be action, which is called when the switch value change. So I say switch changed, and let's implement this function here. So what I'll do is when the switch is on, which is switch button, so let's say if switch button dot on, so this returns a boolean value. If you see, on is a boolean. If switch is on, then I'll say lbl dot background color equal to UI color green color, else lbl dot background color is equal to UI color red color. So the label's background color will change depending on what is pressed on the switch. So let's see, it will not work right now because we are not yet connected the items. So you know the drill. Go to connections and label, connected to label, and button connected to the switch button. Also we have the action, so connected here, value change. So when the value of the button changes, it will call that function and the background color will change accordingly. Now this green is what I selected, so it might not look exactly as it shows in the using the UI color green color. You'll figure out what I'm saying. So window, view, and on, off, on. So look at this green color is different than this because I just picked the color using the color picker. So anyway, so this thing works. Let's make one more, this time by code, no using interface builder this time. I need that. So let's see, I am calling UI switch star switch code and UI label, call it star lbl code, and let's make one more function switch code change, and this time void So same function, but the only thing is the button is called code this time, and the label is called label code. Oh, I think I put a L over there by mistake, but that's fine. Code L. So that's cool. Next we go to view did load, because we need to now say programmatically drag and drop those items. So I'll say switch. First let me add the label is equal to lock init init with frame cg rect make. Let's say I want to draw it a little below. I can use the help of this to see where I want to draw it. So open this and see, I want to draw it a little bit around here, so that I can go to the scale here and see what is the 92. So let's say 92, 13, 137, 83. So let's go back. I forgot already. 213, 137, 83. 30, 83. Undo this. Go look at this first. 113 and 241. 13 and 241, I guess. Okay, let's leave that there. Let's close this. Okay, so that adds the label code, and now I need to, as always, L dot background color equal to, let's say, green color initially, and self dot view add subview L EL code. So there we go. Next is the switch UI switch. No, I already defined switch code equal to UI switch allocate init with frame cg rect make. It is 113, 241, and width is say 100 by 30. It's just a guess. I don't know what the size would be. We'll come to know when it draws it. And then I say self.view add subview switch code. One more thing we need to add, and that is switch code add target, and the target is self, the function where you define the function. You say by selector and you say switch code changed, control events, UI control events value changed. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Let's close this and this. So we'll see. So let's see if it works. So if it draws everything properly, everything shows up properly. So on, by default it's off. So I need to do is I can switch code dot on equal to yes. So it will show me that it's by default switched on. Off. So I can also say it no, which is default value, but then I would want to go and change this to red color. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, perfect. So this is what we're looking for UISwitch. This is how we do it. Keep on watching more videos for more elements. Thank you very much. Bye bye.